welcome to lesson 82 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. Let's start by preparing our left hand by bringing finger 1 to string 1 fret 2 and finger 2 to string 1 fret 3. Both fingers on the same string because we're going to start with a pull off immediately. To prepare our right hand, we're going to do the usual thing. We're going to bring the thumb to string number 6, index to string number 3, middle finger to string number 2, and ring finger to string number 1. We're going to lift the hand just a little bit, making sure that the tip of the fingers are very close to the strings, and now we are ready to begin. We are looking at one of those lessons where index, middle, and ring fingers are always going to play the same strings exclusively, and the thumb is going to be dealing with strings 4, 5, and 6. We begin measure 1 with finger 2 and 1 pressing at the same time. Remember that when we do descending slurs, we need to have the finger behind the one doing the pull-off with the same firmness as the one in front of them. We start measure 1 by plucking strings 6 and 1 at the same time, and then finger 2 does a pull-off. We follow with 3 strings at the same time with index, middle, and ring finger, and then we do a pull-off with finger 1. We go into measure number 2 by plucking strings 6 and 1 at the same time, and then strings 2 and 3 at the same time. Then we're going to do a partial bar of 4 strings on fret number 4. We bring finger 2 to string number 1 fret number 5, and finger 4 goes to string number 1 fret number 7. We start measure 3 by plucking strings 4 and 1 at the same time, thumb and ring fingers. We do a pull-off with finger 4, and then we pluck the first 3 strings at the same time, and we do a pull-off with finger 2. Then we're going to measure number 4 by bringing finger 2 back to string number 1 fret number 5 and plucking strings 4 and 1 at the same time. And we follow with strings 3 and 2 at the same time with index and middle. To play measure number 5, we're going to start by preparing the left hand. We're going to bring finger number 4 to string number 1 fret number 5, finger number 2 to string number 1 fret number 3, and finger number 1 to string number 1 fret number 2. We pluck strings 6 and 1 at the same time. We do a pull-off with finger 4. We are going to remove finger 2 as we play the first 3 strings at the same time, and we do a pull-off with finger 1. Measure number 6 is an exact repetition of measure number 5. To play measure number 7, we're going to bring finger 1 to string number 5 fret number 2 and finger 3 to string number 1 fret number 2 as well. We pluck those strings at the same time. Make sure that we keep the pressure on those spots, and we bring finger 2 to string number 3 fret number 2. We pluck strings 3 and 2 at the same time with index and middle. We make sure to keep finger 3 pressing on string number 1 fret number 2, and we bring finger number 1 to string number 6 fret number 2. We pluck it with the thumb, and then strings 3 and 2 again at the same time. Section 3 is an exact repetition as section number 1. Measures 13 and 14 are an exact repetition as measures 6 and 7. Measure 15 starts with the first 3 strings as open strings at the same time, as finger 1 goes to string number 5 fret number 2, and we finish with an open 6th string as we remove finger 1. We make sure to quiet all the strings at the same time, and we are done. And there you have it, lesson 82 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. As usual, in the description box you will find a link to a play-along video when you can play this lesson with me at a slower tempo. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, I'll see you in the next one, and always remember to enjoy the process.